Beaver symbolism and meaning.
Yeah.
Spirit. Beaver spirit guide. When Beaver scurries as spirit animal, it's time to trust in your creativity. Beaver as a totem animal. Belongs to those who know accomplishment through cooperation. Call in Beaver as your power animal when you need a motivational jump start. Call in Beaver.
Colin the Beaver.
Colin.
No, not Colin the Beaver. Call in Beaver
Colin Beaver.
as your power animal.
Colin Beaver's my power animal. Oh, damn.
What does Colin Beaver sound like, Carl?
What do you... you know what? What do you think Colin Beaver sounds like? Give me some inspiration.
No, I just...
Beaver dreams, mate.
Oh,
That's
goddarn it!
amazing.
I'm Colin Beaver, and I'm gonna make you a dam!